Hello everyone, welcome to Math Circle. So today I am going to show you the solution of this problem which is taken from NCERT class 10th chapter Surface Areas and Volumes. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. So observing the figure we get that this diameter is 5 millimeter. So radius of the hemisphere simply comes out to be diameter by 2, which is 5 by 2, and it becomes 2.5 millimeter. Now if you observe carefully, these are two hemispheres stuck to the ends of the cylinder, and if this is the radius, so this is also the radius, and if these are two of the radius of the hemispheres, this length comes out to be the height of the cylinder. So to find the height of the cylinder, we simply subtract 2.5 from both of its ends from 14, and the answer comes out to be 9 millimeter. Now, getting all the values from the given values, we simply need to find the surface area now. Whenever it is given or whenever it is asked to find surface area, that means you simply need to find total surface area of the problem. Now, observing it, you simply get that to find total surface area, you need to add lateral surface area of this one hemisphere, then lateral surface area of this cylinder, and then lateral surface area of this another hemisphere. So, what you simply do? Lateral surface area of hemisphere plus lateral surface area of cylinder plus lateral surface area of the second hemisphere. Because these two hemispheres are of equal size, how do I know it? Because the radius of both of the hemispheres is 2.5 millimeter. I simply add it and multiply it by 2 to make the solution of my problem easy. Substituting the values of these formulas, I get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now, if you don't know the formulas, you can simply refer to our video from clicking it on I button to watch the summarized video of all the formulas from this chapter. Now, substituting the values, I get 2 into 2 by 22 by 7 into radius is 2.5 multiply by 2.5, and here 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by 2.5 multiply by 9. To make my solution easy, what do? I simply take the similar values as common. So this comes out to be 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by 2.5, and the inner values of the bracket becomes 2 multiply by 2.5 plus 9. I am just solving it out. 2 multiply by 2.5 will be 5 plus 9, and it simply makes my calculation easier by giving me some value which cancels out with 7. It becomes 2 into 22 is equals to 44, multiply by 2.5 into 2 is 5, and the final answer comes out to be 220 millimeter square, which is the answer of the problem. So, to watch more of such problems, you can simply subscribe to our channel Math Circle, and please don't forget to like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.